Hello PowerMates. To build impactful, intelligent solutions in Power Apps, the key is to start with a plan. Understanding your users and their needs is essential. It's not just about building apps. It's about creating tools that empower users by focusing on user experience and leveraging the power of AI and automation to add dynamic, personalized value. By integrating with other Microsoft tools, like Power Automate and Power BI, we can create more cohesive, intelligent solutions that provide real business impact. Lastly, remember that successful apps require continuous improvement. Listen to user feedback and iterate. With Power Apps, we can design intelligent, user-focused apps that make a real difference in how users work and interact with technology. In summary, to build successful, intelligent apps with Power Apps, we need to follow a thoughtful process. Start with a plan and understand your users. Leverage intelligence and AI to drive value. Focus on creating a seamless user experience. Embrace collaboration and integration across platforms. Always aim for continuous improvement. Let's move forward, designing apps that not only meet business needs but also transform how users interact with technology. With Power Apps, we have the tools. Now let's use them wisely to make intelligent, user-focused solutions that make a difference. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey. See y'all.